Flavored syrup in our drinks. It is Friday and I'm leaving tomorrow, so I was thinking that it might be fun to kind of go through what I like to do before I go on any trips or go home. So yeah, anytime I just like leave the apartment for a period of time, I have a list of things that I really like to do before I go, so that when I get back everything is still kind of set up and clean. But it's noon and I've had a couple of meetings this morning, and really I just want to get some work done. I have another meeting in the afternoon, so I'm thinking to work for a couple of hours and then go to my last meeting for the day and then start doing the things I need to do to get ready to leave tomorrow. So that's the plan. More views. I figured, because I remembered it having more views, so I was like, I shot so. Pandemic bangs. Figured. Makes sense. Did this go through? Yeah, I think this did. Funny. It needs charging. Okay. I just gotta get the trash. The recycling? Like, just, I gotta get any trash together that I want to take out. I'm ready. Lots of recycling. Oh, frick. Okay. Let's see. Are you sure you want your camera there? I'm not that good of a driver. Oh shoot, I was supposed to clean out the fridge before I left. So I just got a tiny little cheesecake. I was debating getting the sponge cake bun that we usually get, but they didn't have it. So yeah, they're apparently not making that anymore. But I went to CVS and I used my extra bucks, so I'm happy about that. And I got paper towels, trash bags, and sleeping pills. But I forgot that we're in a pandemic, so there's no Clorox wipes because every cleaning item that they had was like sold out. I don't know why that didn't occur to me. Now we're going to Tea Bestie to get fruit tea, and I'm really hoping they have fruit tea because I just bought cheesecake. survive to drink milk tea and have cheesecake and be sad. So we were able to manage not getting flavored syrup in our drinks like the good old days.
I should have though, I think.
I got strawberry and Cindy got mango. Yeah, yours isn't as flavorful.
That's right. And I tried it and it was not the same. But it's still, it's like, it's a different brand though, so that's also a part of it. Like I specifically like that specific brand I got.
Do you want a bite?
I'm good, thanks.
And Delilah really wanted to camp. That was the plan that we had to do. Okay. I'm so tired. Let's be productive. Let's empty out the fridge. I got most of it out yesterday, but there's definitely still stuff in here to get rid of. There's not here. Go take this out to the trash. I meant to bring my keys with me so I could check the mail, but I completely forgot. So I also need to get some stuff out of Cindy's car that I left. All the CVS stuff I bought, I just like left in the car. So I'm gonna walk back upstairs, get the keys, go check the mail really quick before I go home tomorrow, and then grab that stuff out of Cindy's car. And then we will be able to open up the package that I found outside. And I already know what it is, but I'm really excited to open it, so. Okay, finally I am back. I got the stuff out of Cindy's car and I checked the mail, which I had nothing. So now we get to open the package. Bobby, I don't want Boba to eat these. Okay. Look at it. It's so cute. I love this so much. I'm so glad I got this. So it's the rose incense burner. It was $10, so not terrible, not great, but honestly worth it in my opinion, so. Okay, I think now's the time to pack. I've done everything, question mark. I think I've done everything I wanted to do. I went to CVS, I did the dishes, emptied the dishwasher, cleaned out the fridge. Oh, I need to give Boba her flea medication, and I wanted to get my scooter from Oliver's, which I haven't done yet, so maybe he could pick me up when he gets here and I can go grab it really quick. But I really don't feel like it, so maybe I'll get it in the morning. I don't know. Maybe I'll just leave it. I don't really think it matters that much. I just wanted to get it before I went. I was gonna make a packing list, but I think I'm just gonna start packing for now and then decide. So yeah, let's get packing. And I've packed the bulk of my toiletries. I think that's really all I need. Basically, I need to shower really quick. I need to pack this robe in my bag, so I'm gonna go hop in the shower so I can get my PJs on, and then I need to start making dinner before Oliver comes over because I want to at least have it like halfway done so that when he gets here I can just bake it in the oven. So that's the plan. So yes, I'm gonna go take a shower now. Guys, it is officially the day I'm going home, so I'm just having my coffee. Me and Cindy are about to go leave to go grab my rental car for my Enterprise. You're gonna come with me though. Bye guys, I won't see you for a week. These basketball clothes aren't really that heavy, but they take a lot out of me. I know. It's more the stairs. Just like think about it. Where in the world? Do you want me to get you a treat? She knows. I can get you a treat. Okay, I'm officially packed. We have the chair, it fit. Everything's in here, and we got Bubby here too. Hi, puppy. Oh, that's bright. Now we can finally leave. I need to take off my cardigan because it is 5,000 degrees. Alrighty. And we're off.